G'day, it's the lawn expert here. I'm just at a customer's lawn here in Cremorne in the lower north shore of Sydney. We've been looking after this lawn for a couple of years, but it's been an outbreak of nutgrass in buffalo. So we're about to spray it with some Sempra, but I'd just like to show you the the lawn itself, where the weed is, and just to help you identify the nutgrass. And we'll go to the lawn now. Okay, we're having a look at the buffalo lawn here. I just want to get a close-up of the nutgrass, and you'll be able to sort of see it. It's a little bit different to the it's a long stringy leaf compared to the buffalo grass leaf. Anyway, so that's nutgrass, and we use Sempra. That's the original herbicide that we use on nutgrass in buffalo and couch and Queensland blue couch and kikuyu. But the generic brands are Sedgehammer, which is available at Bunnings as well. So that's nutgrass in buffalo, and that's how we get rid of it, is with Sempra. Okay, thanks for that. Cheers. Bye bye.